Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing. Open Wavy and tap Import, then pick single or batch images to work on. Once imported, enable Auto Enhance so exposure and color are normalized. This gives a reliable baseline. Make sure to create a project or album now, because grouping keeps your workflow consistent across shots. While you import, watch for RAW versus JPEG flags. RAW preserves details for heavy edits, and you'll want that if you plan local adjustments or advanced retouching later. Next, focus on local edits. Use the brush for skin or subject exposure and the gradient for skies or foreground. Once done, add layers, one for color grading, one for retouch, and one for overlays, because separating changes helps you fine-tune later. Make sure to feather masks and adjust opacity so transitions remain natural. Harsh edges give away edits. Also, use the histogram and highlight warnings to avoid clipping, and step back frequently to compare before and after for balanced results. Finish by applying a subtle global color grade and gentle sharpening. Preview at 100% to catch artifacts. Once satisfied, choose export options, format, quality percent, and target resolution so you match destination needs. Make sure to save a copy in the project with edits preserved. If something goes wrong, reset only the problematic layer or use history to step back. This preserves other work. And remember, exporting from the highest quality master prevents repeated compression losses when sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.